Hey everyone, in today's video we got a lot of organizing and decluttering as well as some carpet cleaning using my Hoover Powerdash Pet that I absolutely love, and then obviously some basic cleaning like dishes and kitchen sink cleaning and all the good stuff. So if you guys are in need of some motivation, then make sure to keep watching and give this video a thumbs up if you guys are cleaning your house today too. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So this video is broken up over the course of 3 days, and on day 1 is when I did all of my organizing and a little bit of decluttering. The first thing I tackled was under the kitchen sink. This system down here has not been working for a long time. I had too many products and it just needed me to just go through everything and figure out a better system. So I took everything out, decluttered a few things that either didn't belong in here or I just didn't use, and then played around a little bit with the organization and found a new system that so far, it's been a few days, have been working really well for me. Like I said, it's over the course of 3 days. I never want you guys to think that like I'm lying to you in videos, and I don't do this all in one day. So first day I focused on decluttering and organizing. The second day I did some carpet cleaning and some dishes, and then the third day I did a lot more carpet cleaning and I forgot what else. But I always want to be honest with you guys, and so this is broken up and I labeled it so you guys know what I did on each day. But like I said, I'm just reorganizing under my kitchen sink, and then I will go into my living room and put away a whole bunch of stuff that has just been collecting over on my little seating bench by the front door. So this bench right here is definitely the catch-all in my house. It's like the first thing when you walk in the front door, so it's just easy to like throw everything on here. So the two totes on the ground are my like gift totes. One of them is for kids and one of them for adults. And I just put things in there that I collect throughout the year that I can use as gifts, so I don't have to go buy gifts every time there's an occasion for a gift. And then the tote on the bench is donation items I'm working on decluttering, and then all the other stuff is just random. I got this doorstop alarm where you put it in front of your door, and if somebody opens it, and it goes off. So I'm excited to use that. It's totally a random purchase from Amazon, but I did a little bit of organizing there. I didn't finish it all on camera because there was just a lot to do. But that was it for day 1. And then day 2, I started with some vacuuming, and then I used my Hoover Powerdash Pet, I believe it's called, and it's a carpet cleaner and it's under $100. And it's funny because I've had it for a while, but I've only used it like once or twice. And then I saw Jamie over on Jamie's Journeys channel use it, and so it inspired me, oh my goodness, to pull it out again. And I'm so happy I did. My carpets and my upstairs floor, oh my goodness, I cannot talk, was pretty disgusting. So I did the rug on day 2, and then the next day I did all of my upstairs, and you guys will see how dirty the water is. Last thing I did on day 2 was unload and reload the dishwasher. If you guys are new here, I really wanted to quickly introduce myself and thank you so much for stopping by. I know you guys have a ton of stuff to do, and for you guys to even stop by for a few minutes really means a lot to me. But my name is Alyssa and I'm 23 years old. This is my first home that I purchased. I lived in an apartment before this with my brother, and then after about a year I moved into this home and I literally love it and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I am a part-time nanny right now due to the whole pandemic going on, but that's okay because it gives me more time to make content for you guys. And I'm trying to think of anything else. Random fact, I really like to skate, roller skate, not ice skate. I can ice skate, but not very well. I work part-time at a roller skating rink. And yeah, so if you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload every Sunday, and hopefully I can start uploading another video at least every other week. So again, hit that subscribe button and thank you so much for stopping by. Hi guys, so today I'm sitting here in my office closet, and if you guys haven't seen me transform this, I'll link the video right up here and in the description box if you're curious. But today I thought I would just show you guys, I don't know, like, do you guys like day in the life, kind of like productive day in the life kind of thing? And I want to just show you more of like stuff that I do. So right now I'm about to pay some bills, so I just wanted to like include that in the video, just like sped through. And then I do have some cleaning to do though. I'm gonna carpet clean upstairs because there's a lot of pet messes and food messes from the pets. And then some other like cleaning. So I don't know, if you guys like this kind of stuff, I might start doing, hopefully I can add another video during the week. So I was thinking about doing every Sunday like I'm doing now, and then like every other Wednesday or something. So I was thinking about adding like vloggy style things, like not just me vlogging because nobody really cares, but like productive stuff, like paying my bills, cleaning my car, grocery shopping, like that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, let me know. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys me paying my bills. I don't know if you find that interesting, and then we'll get to some more cleaning. Oh, I wanted to show you my pants, which is weird, but I'm literally in love with them. Alright guys, look at these. Like, they're sweatpants. Ignore my socks that just are weird, but they're from Fabletics, and they have these cute pockets, and they're the kind that like scrunch at the bottom, and I don't know, they're just like so comfortable. And I ordered them from Fabletics. This is not sponsored at all. Fabletics doesn't know who I am, but I wanted to show you guys, if you're looking for some new sweatpants, they're so comfortable. I'm gonna go see if they have more colors because I'm definitely going to order more, and I'm excited to wear these all day while I get things done around the house.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I just start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start.
Alright, so I finished paying bills, and now it's about noon, and I'm gonna focus. If you guys hear that, that's my cat scratching things. But I'm gonna focus on the bedroom. So first I'm gonna do a really deep clean of the litter box. I'm gonna wipe everything down, the inside of the litter box and the litter box pan. I'm going to clean and disinfect. And then I'm going to take majority of stuff off of the carpet. So like the bedside tables, the litter box, and vacuum, and then carpet clean. And then I'm not sure what I'm doing after that. So
Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I honestly really love this carpet cleaner, and I think it's a really good thing to have if you guys don't have a lot of carpet in your house, or I don't know, are looking for something pretty cheap. My upstairs is carpeted, but it's not too big of an area. And then I have the rug downstairs. The only bad part about this is it does have like a smaller like tank to use up full of like water and solution. So I did have to refill it to do the upstairs. I probably had to refill it like 4 times, which might be a lot, but it honestly just takes like 2 seconds to put more water in and more solution. So that's the only downside, but I'd rather do that than spend an extra $200 to get a bigger one that I don't need.
We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? When I get there. Will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over.
Just a warning, I'm about to scoop some cat litter, so if that kind of grosses you out, I would turn your face for just a few minutes, but if not, then here you go. Honestly, this is pretty gross if you don't have cats and you're not used to it. And this was about 3 days worth of cat litter. Honestly, just didn't do it. It's supposed to be on my daily cleaning list, and I was slacking. And then here you guys go. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. Obviously, it wasn't. But, you know, oh well. So I figured out a better solution, which is to use the trash can. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. But I wanted to, this is on my monthly cleaning list, to dump out all the litter, clean and disinfect the litter pan, and then obviously put new litter in. I did it in my bathtub. I know a lot of people think that's gross. Some people do it in the sink, think that's gross. I don't think it matters. Someone's going to think it's gross regardless of where you do it. So I just did it in the bathtub. And then I used my Purell disinfectant to spray it down to disinfect. And then I did the same thing with the actual litter box.
I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
So my camera died when I was finishing wiping down, but I finished cleaning everything, and then a couple hours later everything was dry, and this is the after of the carpets, and the clean litter box space looks so much better. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.